Good afternoon, Aditi Kargade. Good afternoon, Chetan Somnati. Good afternoon, Chaitanya Vice. Good afternoon, Janvi Bhindarkar. Good afternoon, Shardul Bhatkar. So, good afternoon to all of you. We already started the lesson garbage in and garbage out. So, whatever we studied, I'll take 2 minutes to tell that. For example, we studied about the biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. We studied about the non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste. We also studied about hazardous effect of plastic. Effect of plastic and vermicomposting. Now, we already studied about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Can you give me one example of biodegradable waste? Yes, one example of biodegradable waste. One example of biodegradable waste. Give me one example of biodegradable waste. One example of biodegradable waste. Yes, very good, Shardul. Shardul gave very first correct answer. Vegetable peels. Okay. So that one example of non-biodegradable waste. One example of non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable. I am asking non-biodegradable. Realize you wrote biodegradable waste. I am asking non-biodegradable. Santosh gave very correct answer. Very good, beta. That is plastic. So we already studied about biodegradable, non-biodegradable, hazardous effects of plastic, and vermicomposting. Now, how to reduce the hazardous effect of plastic? That we are going to study today. How to reduce harmful effects of plastic. Of plastic. Effects of plastic. Now, you know that many people they are burning plastic. Yes, it is the fact. I have seen people burning tubes, tires, plastic. Even burning leaves is not good. That is biodegradable waste. You know, leaves they are biodegradable waste, but even burning that is not good. Burning this waste garbage is not at all good. Okay, biodegradable waste we can use to make the compost, and non-biodegradable waste such as plastic, if you burn that, we will find harmful gases are given out by this. And if we inhale these harmful gases, they enter inside our body and they have toxic effects on our cells, may result in cancer, may result in asthma, bronchitis, okay, then skin allergy, eye irritation. All these problems are created by burning this plastic. Because when we burn this plastic, harmful gases are given out from this and we inhale that. They enter inside our body. Okay, and they have toxic effect inside our body. Okay, so it is very bad to burn plastic. In fact, one should not burn any garbage outside. In NCRT book it is written that it is illegal to burn the garbage outside. Even burning leaves is illegal. Okay, but we are burning it. Yes, it is a fact. You can see in your surrounding. Many people they are burning. When it is winter, people they are burning tubes, tires, plastic. Okay, and sitting near it. It is the reality. It is the fact. You can't deny. I observed many times, and you might have also observed in your surrounding many times. Okay, and you know that where there is a lot of forest, you will find in such places people they are burning wood and they are sitting in winter season surrounding them. Okay, so we will find burning this plastic is very hazardous because these plastic gives out very harmful gases which we inhale and that results in many diseases. Dreadful disease like cancer, isn't it? Lung cancer, bronchitis, asthma, allergy, all these. It is due to the inhalation of these harmful gases. Okay, so if you want to reduce the harmful effects of plastic, never burn plastic. Don't burn any type of garbage. Okay, so do not burn plastic. But only writing on the board or only hearing and only reading in the book, that is not enough. You have to be practical, you have to follow it in your life. When you are learning anything, when you are reading anything, you are seeing somewhere in television, you are hearing in radio, you are seeing some video. You have to follow that. When I say burning plastic is bad, it is very harmful. When you learn, you read in your textbook, after that don't do that. Okay, because you know that we people learn, we people hear, we people see the video. Okay, we accept, we read. Then after that we only are doing. Who are the people who are doing outside burning these tires, these plastic? They are among us only, isn't it? So if they are burning, then we have to educate them. Don't burn plastic because they are giving out harmful gases. If they are burning, we have to stop them. We have to educate them. Okay, we have to follow what we learn here in the classroom, what we see in video, what we read in textbook outside. Okay, that is very important. Okay, just writing in the exam that it is very bad to burn plastic because it gives us harmful gases which may result in disease, isn't it? Only writing this much is not enough. Only reading this much is not enough. Only seeing this much is not enough. But we have to follow it outside when we are going outside. Okay, that is very important. Not only regarding burning plastic, but such many things we learn in our textbook. We see in the video, we see in the internet, we see in the television. But are we following that? Following that is very important. For example, we learn many times, get up early in the morning and do exercise. But how many of us we are doing exercise? No. Okay, so we are not doing for ourselves. Are we doing for our environment? Okay, so that is the big question mark. You have to follow it outside whatever we study here. Wherever, maybe in television, maybe in video, maybe in magazine, maybe in newspaper, maybe in textbook. Now you know that lots of videos are there everywhere. Very good videos are there. They are giving us very good lessons. But the most important thing of hearing from this side and living from this side, that is not. Whatever we see, we have to follow it outside. Okay, that is very important. So, if you want to reduce the harmful effects of plastic, one should not burn plastic. In fact, one should not burn any kind of garbage because already a lot of pollution is there. Lot of vehicles they are running outside with increasing population. Okay, we are burning more and more fuels. More vehicles are running, and we will find factories and these industries. They are running. They are bringing out more and more pollutants in the environment. Already, lot of that we can't stop. Okay, we are trying, but we can't bring it to zero. Okay, we can reduce it, but we can't stop factories, industries, we can't stop running vehicles. Okay, then we will find whatever possible for us that we have to do. Okay, so that is do not burn plastic. Then other thing is there. For example, many people I observe. This is the fact. They are going to hotel. After going to hotel, sometimes we people are eating food from outside. Okay, so what they take parcel. That parcel is in the plastic. Curry they take in the plastic. Curry, then roti is also in plastic. Sometimes they are taking rice. Whatever they food item they take in the plastic. Now that is warm. That is hot. That will react with the chemicals in the plastic, and that only after going home we are eating. What will happen? All that chemical will go inside our body. It is the fact, it is the truth. We have to accept it. We are doing this. Okay, so we will find that this we have to stop. What will happen? This hot food will react with the plastic, and that chemical will go inside our body, and these loose motions, and that even ulcers, okay, cancer, that all these we may suffer from this disease if we do like this. So we have to stop that. So what many people after eating that only they throw outside. The food inside the plastic is there, that only they throw outside. What will happen? Animals will come, they will eat that food. Along with that food, they will eat that plastic also. That will choke their digestive respiratory tract. Okay, animals will die of choking. So we will find this bringing the food and in the plastic is hazardous because we are bringing warm food in it. That food it reacts with the plastic, and we will find if we are eating that these chemicals are going inside our body and may result in harmful disease like ulcer, cancer, isn't it? So that is why it is very bad habit. So never ever bring these food items whatever we are bringing from outside in plastic. Okay, then drinking tea nowadays started everywhere in every dukkad, every gully. People they are drinking tea in the plastic cup. Now just think of the taste in the clay. You do one experiment. You take clay cup and plastic cup. Drink the tea in the clay cup and drink the tea in that plastic cup. Or that paper cup which has the covering of that plastic. Okay, you will find there is change in the taste. Why that change is there? We are drinking that tea in that plastic. Is it really good for our body? Now that is there everywhere. You see that the tea is very hot. It reacts with the plastic chemicals in the plastic, and that's why the change in taste is also there, and that chemicals are going inside our body. Okay, so we should not drink tea in this paper cups wrap. Actually what is that covering is there for with plastic. Then plastic cups are there. Hot things if we pour anything, immediately reaction will take place. Okay, and that thing we will find their taste is different, chemicals are also going inside our body. So that we have to stop. Now just saying to stop and acting carelessly outside, that is not. We have to follow. When we say that we have to stop this, we have to stop out. Okay, so we will find that do not bring eatables in plastic. Okay, then we will find minimizing the use. 4 hours we are telling many times, hundreds of times, thousands of times we are telling that there are 4 hours for reducing the pollution. What are they? 4 hours. Reduce, reuse, recycle, reduce, reuse, recycle and refuse. 4 hours. But are we really following these 4 hours? This we studied many times. Okay, every video, now and then in radio we hear, now and then in television we see, in newspaper we see, in textbook, in magazine. These 4 hours are very, very important to reduce the harmful effects of environmental pollution. But are we really following that? And if we really follow, then now what is the condition? That condition we have generated, it is due to us only. See the pollution outside, whether it may be land pollution, whether it may be air pollution, whether it may be water pollution. But are we really following what we are learning in the textbooks, what we are listening from our teachers, what we are seeing in the videos, what we are reading anywhere? No, we are not following. That's why you know that the pollution has become one of the major problems, environmental problems, isn't it? Now reduce. This is very good that hundreds of times we are telling. 5th June Environmental Day. One Mahotsav, every environmental day, that there is one speech. Okay, the person is coming and telling 4 hours, first reduce. Reduce the use of plastic. But what is the fact? Are we really reducing the use of plastic? Go and see in the Upperwai market today. Every vegetable window is there with the plastic. And every going there and taking the things in the plastic. This is the fact. Are we really reducing the use of plastic? Are we really following what we are studying? No. Now, if you see that in each and every shop plastic is there, each and every person is using plastic, whoever going outside there, anywhere to purchase anything. No, we have to reduce the use of plastic. What Santosh told very correct yesterday. Use cloth bag or jute bag instead of plastic. So reducing the use of plastic is, we are motivating the shopkeeper. Okay, many people even after taking the bag, they are taking plastic also. One bag filled with vegetable, other bag, plastic bag they will take and they will carry something there, grains and all. So we have to reduce the use of plastic. But here be practical. Only preaching is not enough. You have to be practical in that case. Reduce means reduce. Don't take plastic bag. Don't. Then if their shopkeeper is selling that, giving that plastic bag, say him no. Why? You tell him you already studied what are the hazardous effects of plastic. Okay, because it is non-biodegradable. You know that you will find it blocks the drains, water gets stagnant, mosquitoes flies breed there, and they result in the diseases. Okay, so we already studied about this harmful effects of plastic. So we have to tell them that these are the harmful effects of plastic. So one should not use plastic. Reducing the plastic, if we will tell them, they will stop. Instead of that, we tell them to use the paper bags. Okay, so that reducing the use of plastic is very, very important. Okay, along with the reduction in the use of the plastic, reuse. Now reuse means what we do? Drinking, eating things which are already packed in bottles, in cans, and throwing the bottles outside. Is it good? We can use that for storing some other thing. This we are doing. Okay. So we have to reduce the use of such things which we can use for some meaningful purpose. Okay. So instead of throwing and increasing the garbage outside. So that is reusing it. For example, our newspaper, we can use it for covering the book. Envelopes and all, we can use it for writing. Like that, many things are there which we can reuse it. Okay, that reusing is very, very important. So I will stop here because your math period is there. So thank you very much. Tomorrow we will discuss further about recycling